I used to spend 30 to 45 minutes on thumbnails. Not anymore. With ChatGPT's new image update, thumbnails are changed forever. It'll take less than 2 minutes to create a thumbnail. I used to have to go into Canva, upload my photo, make the edits, remove the background, add the text. Now you don't have to do that. It's super simple. Let's get into it. So what you're gonna wanna do first is go to chatgpt.com. Now there's two different ways to get to the image section. You go to more images or go here to create images. They have a ton of different options. So Scribble, infographics, anime comics, tons of different things that you can use to get inspiration for it. But let's not waste any time. The first thing I would do is actually go to youtube.com and look up that niche that you're looking for and see which thumbnail has the most views, the most clicks, right? Views equal clicks because people are clicking it and watching it. So what I would do is find some inspiration that you really like to help with your thumbnail. So I'll scroll down. We'll just be really quick here and take the first ones we like. So we'll just do print screen. I'll copy this, right? And then I'm just gonna copy this image, paste it here, right? And then we'll take a couple more just for some inspiration. Okay, this one also got a ton of views, so let's copy this one as well. So again, we'll print screen, copy this. And again, we're not gonna copy their thumbnail and then we're gonna paste that. So we have these two. Let's just stick with these two. Now, what I wanna do and what you're gonna wanna do is take a really nice photo of yourself. Just a photo that's clear, has good lighting. I did that for myself, so I'll add a few here. So add photo. So I'm just gonna add these photos here. And then below, I'm gonna have the exact prompt that I'm using in this video to make it super easy for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is paste in that prompt that you'll find in the comment section below. Now, all I did, video title, ChatGPT image update, change thumbnails forever. Video topic, creating thumbnails with ChatGPT. Audience, business owners, people looking to create thumbnails. Use the uploaded thumbnails as inspiration for layout, contrast, and emotion. Do not copy them, right? We're not gonna copy them. Use my uploaded photos as a main subject. Keep my face realistic. Make it bold, clean, easy to read on mobile, right? We don't wanna have it tons of words, tons of things going on. Give me 7 different concepts with different texts and layouts. And that's it. Then I'm gonna let ChatGPT go to work. And there you go. It gives me tons of different thumbnails to choose from, and I can choose the one that I like, and then we can edit it even further. Let's just say I really like the bottom number 7. So we'll just say use number 7 and give me that example below so I can download it. So now it's just gonna give me that example and I'm gonna download it. Now you can edit it even further if you want. And there you go. No need to waste time on thumbnails anymore. ChatGPT made it super simple for you. If you like the content that I'm putting out, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.